Good morning, everyone. My name is Hugo Gaglioni. I am the CTO of the Sony Professional Group, and I'm here standing in front of our area of high dynamic range production for live applications. As you know, we have a system called SR Live, Scene Refer, for live production. And it has been very popular. We have done many live activities, live productions all over the world, culminating last year with the entire production of the World Cup in Russia. All of the production trucks and cameras were using Sony's technology in HDR. What we are showing here for the first time ever is the introduction of a new methodology to satisfy some of the critical requests that we have received from very experienced broadcasters such as NBC Sports. They have been recording HDR programs over the course of the last year, but they had some difficulties in creating simultaneously SDR programs derived from the HDR files. Then we found a solution to this challenge, and we are demonstrating it here. This is called an HDR metadata packet that is distributed directly from the cameras. Therefore, as the producer is shading or painting the cameras generate a packet, a metadata packet with all of the parameters of how you paint the camera. That packet travels throughout the entire connections of the cameras, goes into the HDR conversion box, and in a dynamic way shades or corrects the production of the SDR signal simultaneously with the HDR format. Hence, at the output of the entire production environment, you have a perfect HDR signal along with a perfect SDR signal. And this is what we're showing here in a lot more detail in each one of these stages. And the end result is that we can have, as I said, excellent SDR programs that can match precisely the signals that we have from our cameras. And we have been discussing this extensively with NBC Sports, and they are very happy about this. Also, we have, as an extension of a different area of HDR, we have the use of HDR techniques for high-end cinematography. Then in here, we're using the new raw signal that we have in the Venice camera. This signal is called XOCN, Extended Original Camera Negative. And in here, we have a full post-production environment of HDR signals, along with the introduction of, this is a brand new product. This is the PCW4000. It's our new recorder for 4K production that uses a new XAVC compression codec optimized for high dynamic range production and recording. Then if you need to have much more information, because there's a lot of details here, please refer to our professional site, Sony professional site, where you will find additional information on this device.